Hello everybody, and welcome to TikTok Answers. Today we're diving into an important topic of how to delete a column in a Pandas DataFrame. So with no further ado, let's get started. We will start by importing the Pandas library into our working environment as import pandas as pd. This will allow us to import the Pandas library, and the second step is to download or create the dataset. Our dataset is very simple. It consists of three different people, John, Anna, and Lorenzo, their favorite fruit, favorite vegetable, and height in centimeters. Let us look at the dataset by calling the .head method. You can see people in the rows of the dataset and the features in the columns of the dataset, favorite fruit, favorite vegetable, and height in centimeters. Now imagine what would happen if we wanted to delete the favorite vegetable column out of this dataset. This is very easy, guys. To do that, let's create a new object, which is dataset no vegetable. And we will refer to the original dataset and call the drop method and specify in the list the columns that we want to delete. Favorite vegetable. But don't forget that the second parameter of the function, which is axis, must be equal to columns to indicate to the Pandas library that you're going to delete the columns but not the rows of the dataset. And let's have a look at the result. You see that the resulting data frame does not have anymore the favorite vegetable column, which is originally present in the original dataset. But now imagine, what if we need to delete multiple columns, such as favorite fruit and height in centimeters together? To do that, we will create another object, which is dataset one column, and we will refer to the original data and call the .drop method, and we will list and delist the columns that we want to delete, which is favorite fruit and height in centimeters. And don't forget, guys, that the second parameter of the function, which is axis, must be equal to columns to indicate to the Pandas library that we're going to delete the columns but not the rows of the dataset. Let's have a look at the result. We see that the resulting data frame has only one column, while the original data frame has three different features. And that essentially wraps up the video, because this is everything that you guys need to know about how to effectively delete columns in a Pandas data frame. But if you're willing to get some extra knowledge about the topic, or if you want to go through the practical exercises, I encourage you to follow the GitHub account, and all the links will be provided in the description, where I share the microlearning course for sklearn, Pandas, and other essential technologies for those who are starting in the world of data science, machine learning, and data analytics. Thank you for being with TikTok Answers. We will see each other in the next video, and as always, be a lifelong learner. Until next time. Thank you for being with. Thank you to